6 Common Mistakes That Affect Your Hair. It is a dream of possibly every human being on Earth to have a lustrous mane of hair. But most of you unknowingly do certain things that damage your hair beyond repair. Then when there is hair fall, dandruff and such things, you lose your sleep. 6 common mistakes are mentioned below, that people make when it comes to taking care of hair. 1. Cleaning hair irregularly. Many of you believe that shampooing very often can leave your hair damaged. It is true to a certain extent, especially if you use chemical shampoos. But if you use mild natural shampoos, it would help keep your hair squeaky clean and also healthy. 2. Brushing your wet hair. You are actually tearing your hair from the scalp. When the hair is wet, the scalp easily lets go of the hair, and by brushing wet hair you would break good, strong and even new hairs. 3. Blow drying. Drying your hair frequently with dryer can cause irreparable damage to your hair, and hence keep the hair dryer away from your hair while drying, as much as possible. It is best to towel dry your hair gently or to keep your hair wrapped in a soft and clean towel for some time for drying it naturally. 4. Hair colors. Using hair colors might be the latest fashion trend, but the colors are made of chemicals and hence are enemies of your hair. Not only hair colors, if you can keep your hair away from all kinds of hairsprays and styling creams or gels, your hair would thank you at the end of the day. 5. Avoiding hair conditioner. Keep your hair moisturized with a good quality conditioner. Not using conditioner, especially when your hair is subjected to outside pollution every day, would not only make your hair extremely damaged, but the shine and luster would be gone too, within no time at all. 6. Long hair. Long hair looks beautiful, but it also exerts pressure to the hair follicles in the scalp, leading to hair fall. Hence, if you are experiencing excessive hair fall and cannot give enough time daily to maintain your long hair, it would be better to chop it off for the sake of the health of your hair.